Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Start by removing the air inlet conduit. To do this, loosen both hose clamps with a socket wrench and a 7mm socket. This can also be done with a flathead screwdriver. Start by removing one side of the conduit and then the other. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 30mm Torx socket, unscrew the 4 holding screws on the air filter flange. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Once fully unscrewed, lift the flange off and put it to one side. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Replace the flange. And rescrew the 4 holding screws. Put the air inlet conduit back on. Alignment guides will help you place it correctly. Finish by fixing the hose clamps with a socket wrench. Operation completed.